Alright, this is my photo book. It took me a lot of years of capturing images of cars at different car shows, out in the wild, any place and every place I could find them that caught my eye, I would photograph them. I first had an exhibit at a gallery in town of what I called my car art. Now it's into a book form. There's a lot of cool photos in here. And I'm going to go over those photos as we look at them page by page. And I'll call out ones that stand out to me or ones that really thought turned out really well. But yeah, this book took me a long time to put it together and finally seen the light of day. And just read the description and you'll learn more about if you like this book and you want to get your own copy. There's instructions what to do in that, and pretty much what those are is if you like this book, leave me a comment if you want a copy, and I'll let you know how you would go about getting one. All right, let's start reviewing some of the photos. All right, everyone, let's get going. Here's the cover of the book. Now, I really love pictures of cars with flames. There was a photo on the front of that had a pretty cool photo. I also sign every copy of this book. Now, this photo I came across out on near Kingman, Arizona, on the old highway Route 66. And I like toning a lot of my photos black and white, especially if it's an old classic car. And I like getting low as well. And focusing on certain parts of the car also. And I love older cars like these with the big old grills and the big old fat fenders. And again, more flames. And again, more flames. Yeah, I really like getting low and shooting front of cars. The grills, especially in older cars, the grills really are artwork. Now, this car on the left, that's from Disneyland. That was from a movie. And I love the Metro police cars as well.